Hello students, how are you? Our today's teaching topic is relating to Snapshots chapter. Snapshots chapter 3rd, and the name of this chapter is Ranga's marriage, class 11th English. At first we will discuss about the narrator of this chapter is Masti Iyengar, and Masti Iyengar totally telling about his village beautifulness and village mention. He considered our village maps as according to maps, and village areas is not found in rules of Britishers also. They unable to find our village where is situated our village. But because this village is very short, this village is very small and not a very famous. But insidely, if we saw this village retain and contain different type of beautifulness nature. He gives two or three examples also. The first example is relating to mangoes taste. His mangoes taste is very so due to this our village is famous this shore mango. Once people eat this mango, that is relating to chutney of this mango, and coughing is started. At that time the doctor suggests this mango's taste is very different. And the other thing is pond creepers. Creeper is also very famous, and if you step out to our trees and one creeper is work as a plates. You know that, dear students, in Bengal, in West Bengal, South, there is not need to vessels and plates. They use just like banana leaf. And creepers leaves also to eat food. So these different type of qualities, or due to these qualities, our village is very important and famous and popular. If you are unable to consider and you are unable to believe on my words, you can visit in my village. The narrator Masti Iyengar also said this because he considered himself as if you visit you can to know about the realities. If you understand my words, is fake that is relating to my village. Dear students, the story is relating to this chapter is very fascinating, because at that time, at the rules of the Britisher and before time, early time in India, child marriage is generally running in our own way, because child marriage is a common way. And through this story, the writer want to explain child marriage is not good, but he also engaged himself to complete a child marriage and a fascination way that is relating to, at that time it is understood the culture and tradition of India. But this time you know that what had happened with these situations also. So the story is relating to two or three characters. The character is mentioned on this blackboard. If you can see, the first character of this chapter is Ranga, the son of an accountant, gets educated outside his village at Bangalore. And the second character is Syama, the narrator. He is Ranga's neighbor. Dear students, I want to explain Syama is the narrator of this chapter and the narrator of this story also. Ratna, she is a 11-year-old orphan girl who is staying with her uncle Rama Rao. Unable to write Rama Rao and at Bangalore also, dear students. And the last character is Sastri. He is the village astrologer who plays his role to perfection as tutored by Sama. These most important character, the story is covered through these character. Before happening this story, explaining the story, the narrator of this chapter Masti Iyengar explain about the title of this story, Ranga's marriage. I can place and put the other type of title, but this story is very simple, interesting, and a simple boy's story who did not like to get married as an arranged marriage. He did not like the Indian traditional marriage. This is why this chapter name is Ranga's marriage, because the main character Ranga is in this story. Syama tried to give explanation. The story is start. The first character is Ranga, the son of the accountant. Because interesting here, because he is the first person. Accountant of the village is the first person who dared to send his son to study and learn English outside of his village at Bangalore for 6 months. Dear student, at that time, different type of people of the village and Indian people also unable to know the English language, and they unable to speak English, and they all use his own mother tongue, and the writers, villagers people also use Kannada language instead of other or English language also. After completing 6 months, Ranga came back in his home and village, and when the coming news is spread everywhere in the village, at that time a lot of people gathered there. This is the amazing fact, because he is the first person who go outside to learn and study and become educated person as an Englishman, to learn and how to speak English. This type of the real factor which is spread this news. A lot of people gathered at the door of the Ranga, and when the Ranga came out and stand the door of his own house, at that time he smiled, and old woman touch her whatever wear, just like a Brahman people, and at that time said he is not any changing has occurred in his body and language also. And after knowing the realities and posturization of the Ranga, all are feel relaxed, and they came to know about there is no changes, because Ranga's culture, behavior, tradition, all thing is same, and there is no change. But now he is educated. He came to know about the English, that one fact, that one realities. But after knowing the realities, never changes. The crowd is disappeared, but one person is standing there to see carefully towards the face of the Ranga, and that person is Syam, the narrator. The narrator who explain and narrate the story. Syama came to know about the realities, Rangas, and he became pleased. But he not a thing in his mind and heart. I'll get married with that person, with the village girl, other girl, and he want to know the realities of the Rangas mind. When he came to know the realities of the Ranga, he became surprised, because Ranga's opinion is that I want to get marriage with that girl who came to know about me. It means to say that is relating to affectionate marriage and love marriage, not based on arranged marriage. This is why Syama make a plan. The plan is relating to matchmaker, and he set a plan. The plan is relating to get married with a girl. This is why the narrator. One day the narrator visit the Rama Rao's house, and the Rama Rao's house, the narrator Syama saw a girl, 11 years old girl. Dear student, you know that 11 years is not enough a year to get married with the person, because this is the less year. Less year, and due to this year unable to get a marriage, not fight, but the traditional marriage at that time, earlier time in India, 11 year 12 year is common with the for the marriage. And she is the beautiful girl. I am talking about Ratna. I am talking about Ratna here, dear students. Ratna, 11 years, she is beautiful, and she has a quality. She is present herself as a musician, and she know to play harmonium and violin also. And after knowing this type of qualities, Syama invited Ratna in his house to take buttermilk, just like lassi, buttermilk, and sent this invitation to her uncle Rama Rao's. Her uncle Rama Rao's next day noon time sent her to take buttermilk, and at that time, according to his own pre-plan matchmaking plan, he invited Rangas. He invited Ranga at that time. And when Ratna arrived before in the house of in the house of the that one thing Syama's house. At that time Syama's house covered with the music, violins, instruments and harmoniums, because before happening this situation, before arriving Ranga's Ratna play harmonium and music due to request of the Syama request to play this and sing a song. Meanwhile this singing and playing the violin, Rangas arrived. Ranga became surprised, became amazing, because the song is very sweet, the violin sounds is very good, and to listen these type of sounds and song, he is fascinated, he is he is fall the love of the Ratna, but he hide his affectionate from the Syama. But Syama know about this happening situation before, and he start to talk Ranga about that girl. But that girl, and said whatever see this girl mentioning here, this girl is marriage before. He is get married before, and after listening the words of the Syama, he became disappointed, and to see this face and posturization scene and situations, Syama became happy, because he know that his plan is occur in a very good way, and his next plan to settle Sastri. Now we will talk about this one Ratna Syamas and this one Ratna also. Now we will talk about the last character Sastri. This story is explained by me in English explanation, character wise. Dear students, if you are unable to understand, you can comment and ask me. Sastri is the village astrologer who plays his role to perfection as tutored by Syama. Syama tutored Sastri very well, and Syama take next morning when Syama saw the face of the Rangas, he asked a question: why you become disappointed and your face look like a dull person's face? What happened with you? And if happening any new thing, you can suggest me, you can converse with me. But Rangas hide his affectionate and love after listening that beautiful girl get married before, and this is not suitable for his heart. This is why he became disappointed. It is the realization of the heart. This is why Syama came to know about everything, but he suggests a thing: your tension, your attention, your disappointment, all thing may remove if you converse with Sastri, the astrologer of this village, because he due to astrolizing, he can suggest which type of activity should be done by you in further future, so that you can take a lot of new action and make plan to take a lot of happiness. After taking the suggestion of the Syamas, both of them came near in the house of the Sastri, and Sastri's suggestions, after listening to Sastri's suggestion, he became surprised, because Sastri gives 2 or 3 names, just like the names of the Mas, Pearl, and Pakshi, and others names that is relating to just like the Ratna. Your life, your attention is moving around the Ra word and Ra sounds girl name just like Ratna. After listening the words of the Ratna, he became surprised and amazing. He believed on the words of the Sastri's words. He know if Sastri said this is right, definitely, and whatever he said next, definitely right. And the expressions of his face, Ranga's face, and the posturization of Ranga's face, when both of them seen clearly. Now Syama, the narrator of the story, definitely clearly came to know about the Ranga's minds and his state of the minds and mind situation also. And in the way when the Ratna's uncle house has situated in the walking way, and Syama said, "You can wait for moments, for seconds. I just went to the Ratna's house for some work, for some purpose, and after some times came and it said one thing that is the changing things, that in the that may change the life of the Ranga. After listening the words, that girl not get married before, earlier information is wrong, and after listening the words of the Syama, he became happy, and this happiness is occur on her face, and he smiled, and he catch that smile. Syama catch that smile, and Syama said, you must get married with that, both of them are good, maybe a good couple for the further future, and this is why both of them get married. And after 3 years, given an invitation to the Syama to come in his house on the occasion of completing 3 years his own son. And when he came, he know the Syama can know about the name of the son. The son name is also Syama. This name is given by the Rangas in the respect of the Syama, because due to Syama, both of them life is perfect, and both of them very happy. Dear students, this story is completing here, but this story gives a message. The message is that you can change your life, you can choose your thinking, and the story is focused on childhood marriage. Childhood marriage before 18 years and 21 years, that is the rule made by the constitution. As a constitutional law at this time, this story is relating to earlier time, and in a mockingly way, in a funny way, the Syama, the Shastri pretend face, and pretending face present before the Rangas, and the Ranga occur and unable to know that pretending face, and at last he fall in love of Ratna. I think Syama is succeed to his plan. So at that time, the tradition and culture is the same, just like the story. The marriages will occur just like elderly person always ready to marry other persons due to base of familiar, due to base of acquaintances. The marriages generally occur just like this story. This story is very interesting. I hope you able to understand. If you want to this story in other way, in Hindi way, you can suggest me, write me. Thank you so much, dear students.